Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called What Backsplash Materials Are Easiest to Clean? Grab your sponges, folks, because today we're diving into the world of low maintenance kitchen backsplashes. Here's the thing, we all want our kitchens looking as pristine as a magazine spread, but let's be honest, who has time to scrub grease and sauce splatters with the zeal of a treasure hunter every single day? So let's chat about the best backsplash materials that not only dazzle, but clean up faster than a cowboy in a high stakes poker game. First on our list is glass tile. Not only does it catch the light like a gemstone, bringing sparkle and shimmer to your kitchen, but it also cleans with the ease of a Sunday morning. One wipe and it's as good as new, so long as you keep Luigi the lamp shiner on standby. Plus, its non-porous surface means stains won't settle in faster than your Aunt Edna at a family reunion. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Next up is stainless steel. Think of it as the kitchen's armor, tough, sleek, and not afraid of a little action. Stainless steel backsplashes give your kitchen that professional chef vibe, while mercifully allowing you to clean it with nothing more than a damp cloth and good intentions. It's an excellent option for those of us who might be a little more enthusiastic about cooking than about cleaning. For those embracing the stone age of elegance, there's engineered quartz. It's like the superhero of easy clean surfaces, combining resilience and style without that pesky vulnerability to tomato sauce stains. While natural stone can be a tad more challenging to maintain, quartz offers all the beauty with less of the upkeep, keeping its good looks with just routine maintenance. Let's not forget ceramic tiles, the classic kitchen companion. With endless design possibilities, ceramic is not only durable but patient, ready to be scrubbed clean with minimal elbow grease and showcased like a Picasso on your wall. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Choosing quality materials and expert installation is key to ensuring the backsplash not only looks good, but functions exactly as it should for years to come. And there you have it, folks. Selecting the right backsplash material isn't just about color coordination. It's a trade-off between style and scrubbability. Choose wisely, and you'll be enjoying both a beautiful and properly polished kitchen space. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.